I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Luxceo P100. How you doing, guys? Tracy Lucas Vision Photography. Today I am bringing you a quick unboxing video of a tube light that's RGB 200 milliamp power battery light that is rechargeable, and also RGB, like I said, it also has a magnet on there and a disc controller for the brightness up and down. It's called the Luxceo P100. Now this light is about 12 inches long, lightweight. What comes in the box? Get your Type-C battery charger, a remote so you can turn it on and off from wherever you're at, and the owner's manual. Okay? Now this light is definitely lightweight. It's a hard plastic with a disc center on the front. You got a threaded mount on the top and also on the bottom. Then there's also two magnets, one on the bottom and one on the top. Now the good thing about these magnets is it's not really connected to it. It's like a little ring inside of it, so you can connect to something. So you got it onto the magnet. If you get turned on, all you got to do is spin it around, turn it on, spin it back. That's a good thing about it. That's what I like about it. It has two buttons and one knob. You got the power button and the mode button, and the knob to control your brightness up and down. All right, so let's turn on the light. That's your warm color. And go back down to the lowest. Okay, hit the mode button. You got different colors. And this is a really lightweight light that I definitely will be using it on photo shoots. I did pick up two of these. As you see on this side, I have one lighting up the table, the corner. Yeah, it definitely has all the typical stuff that comes with these RGB lights. That's your cool light. Okay. Now, build quality, like I said, it is a hard plastic, but for $23, what can you expect? You know, this is a quick, easy light to pick up and take with you anywhere. You know, I definitely hope they don't drop this, but for $23, you really can't expect too much build quality out of it. You guys stay tuned. I will be doing a night photography photo shoot with this light and also the other one. I did order two of them. And we'll stay tuned for that, see how those pictures come out. Once again, Tracy Lucas with the Luxceo P100. All right, guys. Take care.